Hey everyone, it's Adaptive Goddess, and today I'm going to be starting the DBT module of distress tolerance. Distress tolerance is one of the biggest modules in DBT, and it is important because it gives us skills to help regulate our body and provide for crisis survival. So what is a crisis? Well, a crisis is an event that your body perceives as an emergency when all that's really going on is a large, powerful emotional event. These would include meltdowns, tantrums, and panic attacks. And these are things that don't just happen. There's a build up to having a tantrum or meltdown or panic attack. And distress tolerance provides skills that help kind of mitigate a tantrum or a panic attack or a meltdown or any other type of emotional dysregulation. So in other words, they are things that happen, but distress tolerance will provide us skills to mitigate the severity of the emotional response and equips us so that we are better suited to handle them. So why tolerate distress? You see, pain and very negative emotions are unavoidable. They happen in life. And how we respond to them determines how we as human beings feel about each other or ourselves. Negative emotions, when they are not properly regulated, can lead to acts of impulsivity where we can hurt ourselves, others, cause property destructions, or damage our own reputation. And I have found distress tolerance helps get my point across in very frustrating and very painful situations. I have also found that using distress tolerance skills have helped me remain calm while other people are having very negative, very destructive emotional responses and dysregulation, which actually helps calm the situation down instead of escalating it further because I am not reacting to their dysregulation. I am in myself being regulated, helping the other person get to emotional regulation. Distress tolerance is one of the most personal modules of DBT. It is because of how you yourself will tolerate and regulate pain and other negative emotional responses. So for this module, I will always be sharing my insight into the skills and other activities that are done in this module of DBT. But please be aware, since it is so personal, what works for me may not work for you. And I will always talk about skills in a more explanatory way and give examples using my own experience. So that way you can apply it to your life, whether or not you are in a DBT therapy group. So as I continue my DBT series, this is just an explanatory video of what distress tolerance is. All of the skills and activities that can be done in this module will come later. So stay tuned for those. So leave a comment down below. What was the most painful thing for you to read in like a book or in literature? For me, it was in Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, which is book 6. It is towards the end, so spoiler alert, it is the death of Dumbledore. I have come to really love that character in that series up until that point. And so his death was just very beautifully and elegantly written. So it was very kind of traumatic. I did want to like rip the book in half after reading it. But it was overall with the story, like it made sense after reading book 7, but it was very painful and very emotional to read. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and gently tap that like button. And remember to be kind, compassionate, and true to you.